administrative that you have been functioning, serving the public with all the constraints, with all the shortages. Just my gratitude to the department that despite all this, you have functioned. You continue to function. Such a situation that you are not able to meet your requirements and you are not able to fully serve the public because of various constraints. So it will be our endeavor to see that we bring this to the notice of the Honorable Minister. Okay, I met your minister last year of Mizoram also, but unfortunately at the time I was quite new. So we'll make it a point to meet your Honorable Minister and just that you are facing in Aipal in Mizoram quite bad.